Good morning. This is a Calacatta oro marble, very expensive material. We are doing this project in a house in Miami, Key Biscayne. This is a very high-end property, and this is a very high-end finish. As you can see, we match all the veins to the 100% of the island. We provide like perfect match on the 45 in the corners. In the this part has no waterfall, the other side has the waterfall, but you can see is everything is completely matched in the whole kitchen. Look, the corners, the grays, and all the stuff. We use two slabs, bookmark like left and right material, in order to obtain and to achieve this perfect finish. Look at the corner, at the waterfall. This is the inner part. Even the return is completely matched. The colors of the seam, and look this corner. This is two slabs combined together in just one beautiful and gorgeous piece in a high-end material. Enjoy.